Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Teacher app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. In here you're looking for Teacher app, or just click on search. Then here at Teacher app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, so that it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click on it, then you search here for Teacher app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.